Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So another day, another dollar to be made. So let's get to the money. Okay, now as you can see here on EURUSD, we are bullish, guys. As you can see now, okay, we have a change of character on a 15 minutes. See here, this low price broke this higher. Price broke this higher. Let me just show you quickly. Price broke this higher, and then now we are retesting that higher. We are retesting, and then we are now just retesting this zone, and then we will be buying. So but now I can see that we are ready for buys. Let me just put 0.01 as usual. Okay, 0.01 as usual, 0.01 as usual. So we are just trying to grow this account to a 500 euro US dollar. So I'm just taking, how many positions should I take? I'm just taking 5 positions, as you can see. 5 positions that I'm taking. So now where are we going to put our stop loss? Okay, I will just be putting our stop loss below this low. This low is at 0.8500, 0.8500, 0.8500. Let's see, 0.8, 0.8500, 0.8500. 0.8500, 0.8500, 0.8500, guys. Okay, 500, as you can see here. So now let's wait and see. Now where are we going to put our TP? Our TP should be, where are we going to put our TP? So our TP should be above this high. Above this high is where I will put our TP. So this one is be a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. A 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. So let me just quickly 0.8, 0.8860, 0.8860, 0.8860, 0.8860. That is where we are going to put our TP, a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, as you can see. So now let's wait and see. That is on H4, but okay, let me just quickly put another TP somewhere, here. It is high. So 0.8950, 0.8950, 0.8950, 0.8950, 0.8950. That's it. So let's wait and see. As you can see, guys, currently we are at 47 US dollar. We are at 47 US dollar, as you can see here. Now let's wait and see. I will be checking. We'll come back and check how the market is doing. So now we don't have to look at the market. We just place the trades, and then you wait for the market to do its thing. As you can see here, as you can see on H4, we see the head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, this is our head, this is our head, and this is our left shoulder, and this is our head, and this is our right shoulder, as you can see. So now, yeah, that's what I see currently. So let's wait and see. Step out of the market and let the market do its things. Just an update on the account, how the account is doing after the trades that we have taken. So as you can see, guys, on EURUSD, as you can see, we are moving nice, as you can see. So yeah, let's check how the account is doing. So we are actually now at $4.51. I added one trade on gold. As you can see. As you can see here, that is the trade that I've taken on gold. So yeah, currently doing well so far. We are currently doing well so far, as you can see. at 52 now US dollar. As you can see, we will just check. We'll update you later on how the account, how the trades are going. So yeah, let's just wait to see how the account is doing later. So yeah, yo, here's an update, guys. As you can see here on gold, we are good on gold, but Euro USD took us out, guys. Euro USD has taken us out. As you can see here, it hit our stop loss, it reverses and it hit our stop loss. Let me just quickly show you what happened. As you can see, guys, look at Euro USD, guys. It took us out, it came to retest this it took liquidity below this low, which is here. So now we are good to go. We must at least enter our second buy trades. Yes. Okay, that is on Euro USD. So now, okay, looking at gold is going well, guys. As you can see, gold is doing well so far, so good, as you can see. So what we have to do is just keep on holding. As you can see, guys, gold is doing well. As you can see, the gold is doing well. Let me just quickly. You can see the gold is doing well. So now we are holding 21 USD, as you can see there on the screen. 21 USD. So now we are at 61 USD from just 40 something USD. We are now currently at 61. So yeah, this is just an update on what is going on currently now on gold. As you can see, we are going up on gold. As you can see. So now we have taken some losses on Euro USD. As you can see here, these are the losses that we took on Euro USD. Let me just quickly go check for today. Okay, these are the losses that we took on Euro USD, guys. It's not that much, but yeah, this is what we got today. As you can see there, this is just an update, so I'll update you later on. These trades that I have taken on Euro USD and the other one on gold. So I'll update you later. So yeah, let's keep on waiting. Let's step out of the market to let the market do its own things. So yeah, okay, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So here is an update on the account, how the account is doing currently. Oh, currently we are in a big loss, man. We had a big loss, guys. We had a big loss on Tuesday. Yeah, I think it was on Tuesday somewhere there. We had a big loss, and I had to deposit another 10 US dollar just to make up for the loss that we had. These are the losses that we had, guys. These are the losses that we had on gold. It was actually on gold and GBP JPY. As you can see here, these are the largest loss that I had. And yeah, now we are in a we are on gold now. As you can see, currently we are at our demand zone. As you can see here, it's where I would think gold will buy. So yeah, that's all we have. So now all we do is just wait for the market to do its things. So you don't have to force things on the market. Don't force things on the market. Just wait and watch how the market is doing. So now we step out of the market and check later. So I'll give you an update on these trades that I've taken. As you can see there, currently we are in a loss of 3 US dollars. You can see there. So now we are in a loss currently. It's just a tiny pullback that we'll be having, but for now, let's step out of the market and come in later. Yo, take a look at this. Yo, we are down 3 US dollar. So from 60 US dollar, all the profits that we've made, we've lost all of it now. As you can see, we are in a GBP USD sell trade now. So we can hold this one until next week. So yeah, That is the only trades that I'm interested in now. So as you can see here, guys, these are the losses, guys. All the profits that I've made, I've lost all of them. So yeah, I think I've blown an account and then I fund again, as you can see here. I fund another balance here, as you can see, on 24. So yeah, we are starting over again. As you can see, now we'll hold these trades until next week. So as today is Friday, the 24th of May. So yeah, let's hold until next week. So the next update will be next week. So guys, I'm also busy trading on my challenge account. I'm busy trading on my challenge account, guys, as you can see. So I'll give an update for a separate video on that. So for now, we focus on this. In this video, we focus on the challenge of turning 10 USD to 500 USD. We are still on the way. So now let's step out of the market and wait until on Monday to see what happens. So for now, everything is already set. Stop loss is already set. So yeah, let's step out of the market. And so as you can see, this is the GBP trade that I'm on. As you can see, guys, on the screen there, that is the trade that we are on. So yeah, let me just quickly show you the account that I'm trading. Let me just show you the account that I'm actually trading. So